this is Mia from Blazexel. Today I'm going to show you how to collect the customizable devil eyes with your phone. And this time I'm going to show you slowly without any speed add. Okay, so here you can see there are two customizable eye nets, and here are 12 cables with it. So for testing, you don't have to use these cables, okay? Because this, you can use the USB cable, the Type-C USB cable to test it first, okay? To ensure that the voltage is stable. So I advise that you can use the power bank for power supply, or you can plug the USB in your computer. So I'm testing with the USB plug-in in my computer for power supply. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to collect one by one. So if you ordered two, you'd better collect one by one. Okay, so first let's just collect the first one. Okay, yeah. So next I'm going to set the phone. How to set the phone? First we have to set the hotspot here, personal hotspot. So I'm using the iPhone, so if you use the Android, it's maybe a little different, but both have to set the hotspot name and the password. Okay, let me show you. First we find the general and we find the about. So we change the name to eyes. Okay, down. And next let's go back to personal hotspot. Here you change the password to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, down. So now you can see, you can wait. There will be the IP show up on the screen. It takes time, so you have to wait patiently. Okay, let's wait together. Okay, see, it shows up. So the IP address is this. Okay, now I'm going to open my Safari, and here I have already tested, so I will clear it. Okay, here you can see we open a new page, and then put the IP 131.220.10.3. So we put the IP on the screen to a new page of Safari. Okay, and then it will load. So you have to be patient to wait for the page to show up. Okay, okay, now let's choose the eye images. So we have 3. Okay, this means return. There are 3 colors eyes. So this is blue, this is green, this is red, and this is Sharingan, and these are 2 pictures. I'll show you one by one. And here is where you can upload your own designed pictures or GIFs, but they have to be GIF format and within 240 multiple 240 pixel. Okay, so you can read the instructions in my website, get more clear instructions about the format. Okay, so let me show you one by one. So this is a green color, so you click it just once and then you can wait. It takes time to show the new images. Okay, and then you press return and then go back to here, and then you can change the third one. So you can change colors from here and here. Okay, so you can return and then wait. Just click once is enough, and then wait for it to go back. Okay, so this is Sharingan. Okay, so you can return if you want to change the images again. So there are just 2 pictures, so you can ignore it. and here is the where you can upload a file, and I have some stock with the required pixels, so I can show you one. Okay, so you choose file, and then here means upload. Okay, you press upload and then you wait for it to show up. Okay, that's done. Okay, now next we're going to test the other one. Okay, so let's connect it with the Type-C USB to power it on. Okay, you can see here already, here's already the IP show up because you have already set the name and passcode, so it will show up immediately. Okay, I'll put the IP address in a new page. Okay, in a new page, and wait for it to okay. So we can just use this exactly the same way the first eye to choose different images. Okay, and see here, so if you want to keep two lines with the same images, you can see we have 2 pages, right? So you can change page by page. For example, we use the red eyes for both. So first I choose this for this eye, and then I choose the same image for this eye, so they can keep the same. Okay, so I think that's all for the collect of the eyes, and you have to pay attention. If you use this 12 cable, don't mix up the positive side and the negative side, don't mix up. If you mix up, it will burn the light. Okay, and this product requires very stable voltage, so you have to ensure the voltage is stable, then it can collect. Okay, so if you still have any questions, you can just find me at my WhatsApp.